Hey there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. I'm Cast Iron Katie. Doesn't that make a nice sound? Stove. Just a moment. So good. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make chicken salad using an outdoor Dutch oven. We know that this is an outdoor Dutch oven because it has pegs on the bottom to hold it over the charcoal. And because we're going to be boiling when we poach the chicken, we need a little more charcoal underneath. So we're going to use our Lodge 4-in-1 to give a little extra room underneath. We'll place our Dutch oven on top of the 4-in-1, and it'll have more height underneath so we can add more briquettes. We're not going to need to put any briquettes on top because we're not baking in this situation. So I'm going to place a little spacer in the bottom, between the bottom of the Dutch oven and the chicken breast. I wanted bone-in chicken breasts, however I couldn't find them at the grocery store. So I just went with the boneless, skinless that you're able to find every day at the grocery store. When we poach the chicken, we're going to add 10 sprigs of parsley, two sprigs of thyme, 1 stalk of celery, 1 carrot, and 1 onion. All of these ingredients are chopped really large, but that's okay whenever you're poaching your chicken. And we're also going to add 6 cups of chicken broth. I am going to reserve this chicken stock after I'm done with this recipe, so come on back here in a week or so and check out my chicken and dumpling video. I'm going to be using this stock for that video. Our coals are looking good and ready down in there. Got some that are still needing to catch, but that'll be good for the however long we need to cook it. So let's just smush those down a little bit in there. Oh, still have some flame on some of them. Okay. Now we'll just work that down into my coals. And try to pile them up about the diameter of the Dutch oven. Okay. Now since we're not baking, we're just gonna set the Dutch oven on top of the 4-in-1. I don't like the balance of that. Just a moment. Let me reposition it. Okay, we will let that boil and cook the chicken for, the chicken's supposed to cook about 20 minutes, so I'll come back and check it in, we'll say 30 minutes, give it a chance to boil and to cook the chicken. After 20 minutes, I checked on my chicken and it was not boiling yet, so I reset my 30-minute timer to give it a chance to boil, and 30 minutes from that then has passed, so it's been 50 minutes and it is really going well. I'm certain that the chicken is done just based off of how the vegetables look. So I am going to take the chicken out and reserve the stock for soup for another day and get to cutting up the chicken. I have all 5 chicken breasts cut up. They are thoroughly cooked, very moist still though. They are cooked all the way through. We are going to add the chicken to a cup of mayonnaise. I have 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And we will also add 4 scallions, a couple teaspoons of parsley, tablespoons of parsley, a teaspoon and a half of dill, and 2 teaspoons of salt, and a half teaspoon of pepper. Those are all the skills that is required for making chicken salad. You poach your chicken, which is essentially boiling. You chop the chicken and a few herbs, and then you mix it all together. It is probably one of the easiest dishes you can come up with, and it is delicious. Alright, I have it all mixed up. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, let it chill overnight, and tomorrow we will put it on some sourdough for some sandwiches at lunch. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe to it. Last night, whenever I tasted the chicken salad, it was a bit salty, so I recommend either cutting the salt down to 1 teaspoon instead of 2, or you can add Greek yogurt, which is what I did, and I forgot what I normally do anyway, is cutting some of the mayo taste with the Greek yogurt. Okay. Add a few tomato slices. So there you have it. Perfect chicken salad. You just have to be able to boil, chop, and mix. This is Cast Iron Katie. Thanks so much for watching.